Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Virtual Machine in Windows 11. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is go to the first link in the description, which takes us to the Virtual Machine download page, like this. Now, on this page, you have all these different platforms that you can download it for, but what we're wanting to do today is the Windows installer. So click on Windows installer right here. And it says in the bottom here that the latest release or version of the VirtualBox is installing. Now, once it is installed, we're going to want to go ahead and click on it to open it. So just like this. Now it is opening the VirtualBox. So you want to click next, yes. Click install, and we can see, okay, so first click yes, there we go. Now we can see it is installing like so, and then click finish. And once you click finish, that means you've installed it, and right here it is opening, and yep, there we go. You successfully installed the virtual machine on Windows 11. Alright, I hope the video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.